Today I am finally planting my potatoes for Erica's Little Welsh Allotment Potato Growing Challenge. So I'm going to take them down to the allotment and plant them. So I've got 4 rows and I had 1 spare, so I've just put it with this one because it looked a bit rotten. Well, I found where she was laying her eggs. In the compost bin. Hi Casper. Do you like the nice grass? Do you like it? Believe it. Well, I know. It's them done. Up to the bricks, I'll remember for future. And I'll be planting more potatoes up there at some point. So that is my entry for the potato challenge for Erica's Little Welsh Allotment. I was actually going to put the fertilizer stuff in the ground when I planted, but I forgot, so I just put it on top and watered it so it can sink down. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye!